Congratulations, you made it to the very last video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the course so far and I hope you learned a lot. So, by the way, in the full course we will be doing all these 9 views. The full course is available on Skillshare and Udemy, link in the description. Anyway, without further delay, let's move on with the final view. The 3/4 view facing down. As usual, we start with the blocks, and it's best to draw them from reference because it's quite hard to draw them from the head at this angle. You might want to consider including perspective, but there's no hurry learning about perspective, so I for one am gonna keep it nice and simple, keep it in orthographic view. In this case, to give me a little extra help constructing the forms, I'm also going to draw in the other side of the cubes, but in dotted lines. Okay, so next we add in the basic forms. We start with the center line, which starts all the way back here and moves through this point and goes down through that point and goes through the middle of the chin. And let's draw in the side circle too, and on the other side as well, and the top and the back of the head. And of course the brow line. And the chin. And now that we're done with the basic forms, let's move on to adding in the features. Okay, before I continue, I'm just going to make these layers more transparent so I can see the feature layer a bit better. Okay, let's add in the line work. So remember, we don't have to follow this precisely. In this case, my gut feeling is telling me that we somehow ended up with the forehead being significantly too big. So I'm gonna follow my gut and I'm going to make it a bit smaller when it comes to the finished lines. Okay, I'm gonna call it good enough like this, and now I'm gonna color it in. And there we have it. It's not perfect, but it's not bad, especially considering that we did the whole thing from the imagination. If you want to do it really well, then it's a good idea to practice from reference. Now that we have some better understanding of basic forms and the basic orientation of the head, combining it with drawing pictures from reference would improve our ability to draw the head at these angles a lot. So that's all for this course. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a review and leave some feedback. And if you thought some things in this course could be better, please let me know in the feedback, and that way I will be able to make better courses in the future. So that's all from me. Have a good one.